Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to make dotted line to solid line table in Google Docs. So let's started. At first, open your docs file. Firstly, then we show the dotted line is space and to the solid line. Firstly, select your all table and going to the more menu option and click for the border dash option. Then click for the solid line option. That's okay. Then we show the make dotted line to solid line table in Google Docs. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.